Here we are, it's the middle of the day. The rain is just hit. The Sun-N-Fun is not having so much sun right now. We're just trying to stay inside and stay dry.
As you can see, there's a big storm. One of the planes tipped over. There's one on another plane.
Tornado whipping across the field here at Sun-N-Fun. So we're picking up the wreckage of what's left, and there's some planes that flipped over out on the field. Obviously a lot of devastation with aircraft getting flipped over, and some blown right down the road here. My camera's wet, so I can't get a clear picture, but that was something else.
Oh, dude. That's ugly.
We had that plane, that 801 Papa, the white one back there. That was parked just right over here to my right. In fact, just right over here. See the plane, this yellow plane, the 7050 was right here. It flipped over backwards.
As one man just said, that's ugly.
Okay, I'm sure everybody's okay.
Hopefully my plane is heavy enough.
All right. We were in that building and man.
I was in hangar 8, looking out the door and feeling the building shake. Mostly, I mean, this is a tragedy for poor folks. I mean, it's a shame.
Yeah.
My name is Pam Warner. I'm owner of Air Parts Incorporated, and we sell aluminum and tubing and hardware.
How many years have you been coming here to
Here
Sun-N-Fun?
about 25.
25 years. And in 25 years, have you seen anything like this?
No, never. And my display is right out there that's all gone. So, yeah.
Wow.
But we enjoy coming every year.
Just glad nobody got hurt in this case.
So you think it's a big loss what you suffered today?
Yeah, we're counting it all. We're counting it all a loss for sure.
As you can see, I'm out here in Florida. It's Lakeland, Florida. And even though this is not meant to be a lake, I'm standing in one. We just had this flash storm tornado come through the airfield, and it has totally devastated many, dozens of airplanes. as you can see right here to my right, we have a couple of airplanes just toppled on top of each other. And then right off here, on my right, you see a plane that has completely flipped on its head.
We've been to Sun-N-Fun for about 5 years.
Have you seen anything like this before?
Oh my God, I hope to never see anything like this. No. We're a company called Seattle Avionics. We do aviation moving map stuff. It's airplanes, someone put love into them, it's workmanship. It's just, this shouldn't happen to anything. It's very sad.
Now from Joel Angel, reporting for Grassroots News.